The best test HOLLOWMAN muscle core workout. This function is an isometric grip, which means that the main muscle is active, but the body is not moving. This is an excellent exercise to build a good foundation for your spine. It is also good for anyone who gets pain by moving the lower back, as it is a standing grip. Test yourself. This basic exercise is good for beginners and advanced athletes. Variety can make the work suitable for different levels of athlete. Beginners, bend your knees and hold your chin inside, legs straight, chin slightly tucked in, arms clasped with palms facing up. Advanced, raise your hands above your head and slash or lower legs near the ground. Sets and reps. 40 seconds, 20 seconds of rest. Make 3 to 4 sets. How to deal with this defense body. Lie on your back with legs 45 degrees, arms apart and chin-chin. Your back should be flat on the floor. Combine the hip bones and ribs and compress the abdomen, quads and glutes. Breathe deeply to hold the diaphragm. Rub your chin. Pull the shoulders down and away from your ears. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.